Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a resume with ResumeGenius, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the ResumeGenius website. Once on the home page, look for the Create My Resume button. Click the Create My Resume button to get started. You will be prompted to select a resume template. Browse the available templates and choose one that fits your style. After selecting a template, click on Use this template. You will now see a resume builder interface. Start by filling in your personal information. Enter your name, phone number, email address, and location. Next, move on to the Experience section. Input your previous job titles, company names, and employment dates. Add a brief description of your responsibilities and achievements for each role. Once you've entered your work experience, proceed to the Education section. Fill in your school name, degree obtained, and years attended. If applicable, add any additional certifications or relevant training. Next, explore the Skills section. List the skills that are most relevant to the job you are applying for. Now, you can customize your resume further with additional sections. Consider adding volunteer experience, projects, or hobbies if relevant. After completing all sections, review your resume for any errors. Ensure that the format is clean and all information is accurate. When satisfied, look for the Download or Export button. Choose your preferred file format, typically PDF or Word. Click the button to download your resume to your computer. Finally, store your resume in an easily accessible location. Your resume is now ready for job applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.